In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, who is the creator of all over the world and who is the king of this kingdom. My name is Muhibullah Shaheen. I am in Al-Kareem Private High School. In the class 11 today, I want to present some information about the prayer. Praise the base. Praise one of the 5 bases of Islam. The first question which asked by Allah in the day of Doomsday, it about the prayer. Also pray how the best worship in the good path of face-to-face talking with Allah. Worldly pray mean dawa. When a kid or baby reached until to the 7th year, there's the job of parents to instruct him about the prayer. When he reached the 10th year, there's the job, there's the responsibility of a parent. They must, if he doesn't perform the prayer, they must punish him because there's the responsibility. It's so hard that they become lame of that. And when a person called to prayer, we must give response, and we should skip all the works and take ablution, take ourselves to the mosque. Take ourselves to the mosque and carry, because the world is mortal, everything is mortal. Just our deeds will carry with us to the grave. There's the environment of the Al-Kareem Private High School, which is the fundamental, conclusive academic center. Try your best with the Al-Kareem Private High School. Thank you very much.